Hello, my name is Eric. I'm a musician, and for the biggest part currently I'm working on my solo project called Slumbergaze, which is an electronic music project. I participate in the residency out of an interest to have a bit of a more interdisciplinary approach. Yeah, this data is really used as a trigger for instruments, synthesizers for instance, samplers. It really influences the workflow and the outcome in that way. And I chose to work with the historical data about Luxembourg's industrial past. There's also words involved, there's not only numbers. So far it's been a very enriching experience, make music maybe in a bit of a less traditional way.